Hello everyone, my name is Andres Pinto. This year I am going to change some of my habits to improve my life. First, I'm going to stop working in the morning and start exercising instead. I am also going to stop spending so much time on social media. I am going to go to bed at 10 p.m. every night. I will exercise for 30 minutes to 1 hour every morning. I am also going to pray and meditate before starting my day. I will drink more water, take some for mental recovery, and read before going to bed. These changes are important to me because I want to have a healthier and more balanced life. I want to improve my physical health, my mental well being, and my daily discipline. My personal goal for this year is to save 13 million Colombian pesos, and my academic goal is to finish both semesters of my degree with excellent grades. In 5 years, I see myself as a successful professional with a stable job. I will continue learning, developing new skills, and working hard to achieve my dreams. Thank you for listening. Those are my plans for the future and hope to achieve these goals. Thank you. Bye bye.